In today's video, you will learn how to send email from an Outlook email address to a Gmail email address. Let's just get right into it. All right, first thing first is to connect your PC to the internet, which I have done already in this case. Then after that, open a web browser through which you will log in to Outlook. So here I'll be using Microsoft Edge. As your browser opens, visit Outlook.com and log in into your Outlook account by using the Outlook email address and password. Once you log into Outlook, you will see an interface that looks like this. All right. So the next step you need to take is to click on this new email. You will see a page that will open by this right margin. Then in the to section, type the email address, the Gmail address you want to send the email to. So here, let me contact godwintech@gmail.com. So I will type the email address here. Okay, once you finish typing in the email address, just like I have done here, contact godwintech@gmail.com, the name of the user will show up here. So click on it. Then in the subject area, this section with the text add the subject. Just click there and give this email you're about sending a subject. So here, let's assume that in our office at Godwin Tech that we don't have some items and I need to talk to manager to provide money for us to buy some items. So let me call this subject items needed in the office. Okay, so once you're done typing the subject of the email, just click in this body section and then explain yourself on what you need or the reason why you're sending the email to the recipient. Okay, here I'm done explaining what this email is all about. That is what we need in the office. It says, "Good morning, sir. Please, we need the following items in the office. They cost on $200 only, two exercise books, a pack of pen, one mouse, a new office table." All right, I can just click on send for this to be sent to the boss. All right, but you can make this email look cleaner in a way first by formatting this text. First is $200. You may need to highlight this so that you know that this is going to be the amount we need. All right, once you select this, you can click on bold. All right, to make the $200 bold. Alternatively, you can click on this message tab. You can see some of these buttons that will allow you to do more on the text. Okay, so look at these ones here. You can see these two packs of exercise books and the rest. You can decide, okay, let me make them be in bullets, all right, so that it will look more attracting. You can click on, once you select them, you can click on these bullets. Or if you want number, formatting, numbering, listing, you can just click on this. But I think I like the bullets, so it's cool. So once you're done formatting your text, you can send a message. So by clicking on this send button, and he will get this email immediately. All right, if you want to check if the information you sent went through, all right, you can click on these sent items. You will see the list of items you sent recently. You can see this one here, which is what we sent right now. It is here. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we teach a lot on technology, including the basics. All right, so subscribe to learn and grow in your knowledge of tech. All right, leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button, the one that points up, so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. You can watch this video here to learn a full guide on how to use the new Outlook email system or email service. All right. Thank you and see you some other time.